Shute, I shute at Maya. Paritoma World Cup, Paritome Kabutoti. Shute. We might not be the greatest footballing nation, but we are amongst the blessed footballing nations. I mean, out of all countries in the whole world, uNkulunkulu ukhethe thina ukuthi kube yithi esizovula indebe yomhlaba. Yo, grand opening of the whole entire World Cup. Kuyobe kuyibafana versus Mexico. Imagine umhlaba wonke ufuna ukubona ukuthi yini South Africa. Imeleni sawa face inhliziyo zeMexico bafana. Kusela imzimba nje kodwa inhliziyo bafethu hey ziphambi kwendaba enkulu eMexico. Hey bafethu yazi ngayifisela bafana ukuthi isenze sibe proud. Kodwa ngisasho ngithi laba abaye ku-World Cup singabafakeli ipressure. Sizame nje ukuthi sibasupporte unconditionally. Sibanikeze lo thando ekuthiwa unconditional love. If bewina siyabonga. If bengawini, at least they put i-South African flag on the whole world map. Yabo lento engisho. So simele si-appreciate lokho nje because if they didn't qualify, we wouldn't be speaking about this. But all the best bafana. Vamos!